Let me tell you the biggest bullshit lie men are fed about dating. That if you just communicate better, explain yourself, and be emotionally available, women will stay attracted. That advice sounds mature, evolved, and healthy, and it's complete bullshit in real-world dating. Most men don't lose women because they're toxic or abusive assholes. They lose women because they turn into apologetic, over-explaining assholes the moment they feel her pulling away. And here's how it usually starts. She replies slower. She cancels plans. She says she's tired or busy or needs space. And instead of staying grounded, the man panics. He sends a long text explaining his intentions. He reassures her that he likes her. He asks if everything is okay. He wants clarity, and every word quietly kills attraction, because attraction does not grow from reassurance. It grows from certainty. Here's an example every man has lived through. She says, "I just feel like you've been distant lately." The weak response is explaining, "I've just been busy. Work has been crazy. I still really care about you. I just want you to know where I stand." That response feels logical. It feels responsible, and it makes her lose respect instantly. A grounded man doesn't explain himself like he's on trial. He simply says, "I've been focused, but I'm good." Then he shuts the fuck up. Another example, she says, "I don't know what I want right now." The nice guy response is to comfort her confusion. "Take your time. I'll wait. I'm here whenever you're ready." That man just handed over all power and killed all polarity. The grounded response is simple. "That's fine. Let me know when you do." Then he pulls his attention back. No chasing, no pressure, no begging. Guys, women don't respect men who negotiate desire. They don't want to be convinced. They want to feel pulled. And the second a man starts defending himself, asking where he stands or trying to get reassurance, he stops leading and starts auditioning. No woman wants to fuck a man who's auditioning for the role of a boyfriend. Now here's where people lose their minds. They think being an asshole means being rude, cold, or disrespected. That's low-level bullshit behavior. The real asshole is the man who refuses to abandon himself and keep a woman comfortable. He doesn't chase mixed signals. He doesn't reward confusion. He doesn't stay available to someone who isn't sure about him. And he just simply removes access. Sometimes that means silence. Silence isn't a tactic. It's a natural result of self-respect. Now, men are terrified of silence because they think it means losing her. But the truth is, silence is often the only thing that brings attraction back. Because silence signals abundance. It signals emotional control. It signals that you are not afraid to walk away. And here's the most offensive truth of all. The fastest way to make a woman lose attraction is to show her that losing her scares you. Fear leaks through words, tone, and behavior. Women feel it immediately, and once they feel it, desire shuts down. This doesn't mean be cold or cruel. It means be solid. A man who can walk away calmly will always be more attractive than a man who stays and pleads to be chosen. That's not hate. That's not misogyny. That's not bitterness. That's masculine reality. And reality doesn't give a shit who it offends.